this video, we are going to explore how to use vast test library available in TestnHire. TestnHire offers 1,400 plus assessments across multiple test types such as cognitive ability, language, situational judgment, role-specific skills, programming skills, and software skills. These tests are also available in 3 different difficulty levels: easy, intermediate, and expert, depending on the candidate's experience. Let's see how it works. First, click on the test library. Next, click on Edit Questions. To get the most relevant tests based on the job role you selected earlier, click on the Recommended tab. From here, you can choose the tests you want to include in the assessment. You can select up to 5 tests. Once you have selected the tests, simply click on Save Questions. And that's how you can easily add assessments from the TestnHire test library while creating your test.